Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, and I thought that I would bring you along so that you can get inspired and hopefully you can do this at home. I'm going to spray paint a couple of frames that I got so that I can put these printouts in frames for my room and make it look really pretty. So I got this off of Amazon. I'm gonna share the link of where I got it from in the description box below in case that you're interested. And I got this from Target, and it's a Rust-Oleum Chalked Ultra Matte Paint, and this is the shade Blush Pink. And I got these 8x10 frames from the Dollar Tree. So super affordable, super easy do-it-yourself project. The first thing you want to do is remove the glass and the cardboard behind it so you have just the bare frame. We're going to start with one frame at a time, and we're going to grab some sandpaper. You could also find these at the Dollar Tree. There's a pack of plenty. And we're just going to slightly sand the frame so that it's nice and smooth, receptive for paint. Now once that is complete, we're going to grab the frame and we're going to grab our spray paint and we're going to spray paint. Once that's complete, we're just gonna put them aside and let them dry overnight. Okay guys, so now the final product should look like this after drying. So now we're gonna assemble our frames back together and put the pictures in them. Okay, so now we grab our images. These are 8x10, and so is the frame that we got. So I'm gonna grab my first image, and let me grab this one so you can see better. I'm going to turn it around, put the glass carefully, okay. Now I'm going to put the image and grab the back part cardboard that came with it. When you're done, you just push down on the little secured little cleavy thingies. There we go. And then the final product should look like this. Isn't it neat? So now I'm gonna move on to my other images. Now this is the final product, all put together and all ready to go and put right there in the wall. And this is the final product. I hope you like this do-it-yourself from Dollar Tree. Super cheap, super easy, and super pretty. Let me know if you liked it. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll upload 2 videos every week. Let me know if you tried this, if you're gonna try it, or what other products would you like me to try. Bye!